what do you take of Elon Musk's comments? Do you think that cryptos have a path higher or lower? It's been a rough 90 days.
Yeah, certainly been rough. I'd say if you zoom out a year, things have felt pretty good. We were worried about Bitcoin dropping below 3,000. Now we're worried about it dropping below 30,000. But the last few months, even the most experienced expert can't help but get sucked into this meme-driven caricature of a world that we're investing in today. If you think about this cycle like an NFL season, it's like we were back in February at the Super Bowl, but halfway through the game, Tom Brady decides to quarterback for the Chiefs instead of the Bucs. That period where Elon was, bearish and making fun of the space, it didn't feel very good because each tweet could have a 20% impact. So I think the biggest thing people were focused on yesterday is the king of Bitcoin is back and he's supportive of the space. He not only says he owns it, but SpaceX owns it. So I think that was the big dynamic. And even if the rally wasn't more than low double digits and only part of it held, I think the fact that we're sitting above 30,000, we're back in this summer stasis mode. So I think it's given the market some stability.
Yeah, I mean, it's been quite the run for Bitcoin. I mean, 60,000 down to below 30. We've kind of had a boom the last couple of days. If you want to call, I guess, a couple of days a boom as well, Rich. The reality is, and not my opinion, you read all kinds of research. There's just too many coins out there. There's too many options. Do you think the market is going to consolidate, condense, come out kind of like the 1999 internet market, right? Where you had thousands of companies that whittled down to a few winners. Those are the ones that ultimately won. Will that happen? Does that have to happen in crypto?
I think it's already happening, but we're for now seeing some seasonality in the summer, especially after such a bullish period and one where people are stuck inside for not just a winter, but a year and a half due to COVID. People are out there, they're spending their crypto, but also they're not day trading. They're out in front of the screen. So I think that dynamic is going to take hold for another few months. But we're already seeing other strong tokens that are grabbing not just price action, but network and daily users. And I think we are past that 99 type internet bubble. And I think we're going beyond that prototyping phase into the implementation phase. And I think that there's room for crypto, Bitcoin to go a lot higher, but I think there's going to be even more upside in the next winners. And we might not have 10,000 coins, but we could easily have hundreds of other altcoins get into the hundreds of billions.
But who are the next winners, Rich, besides Bitcoin?
I'd say Polkadot is already winning, Solana, Filecoin. You could look at the size of the networks, the size of the market caps. We've got a handful, and there's some others that are popular and they're still up there. But I think it's more just through a history of being out there. They're more like the Dow versus if you look at what's performed over this past year and a half, we're starting to see some winners come out and starting to go from flight to quality where the best tech, the best teams are starting to prevail.
Yeah, I mean, some new names for us there, Rich. I mean, what is going to be the driving factor? Is there another catalyst on the horizon? I know it's summer, and so everybody's got, they got to, spend their money, get out to the Hamptons. Once we come back in the fall, what is the next catalyst out there for crypto?
I think what we're seeing recently is that, there's different themes in the market. We had ICOs in general. Then a year ago, we had DeFi. 6 months ago, NFTs. I think when you look out to this next period, it's gaming, it's esports. Since it's not about cryptocurrencies, we're creating a parallel ecosystem to tech and to finance. And it's really recreating things in a way in which it's decentralized and you take out the company altogether and you put the governance and your rewards back into the people's hands.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.